इसमें हम देखते हैं टाइप्स ऑफ सोलर रेडिएशंस और उसके मेजरमेंट के बारे में हम देखेंगे। ये यहाँ पर ये हमारे पास सन है, हमें पता है अल्टीमेट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी जो है वो सन को हम कहते हैं। तो ये मान लीजिए ये मेरे पास आउटर सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ है और यहाँ पर जो है ये अर्थ है। We know that sun emits solar radiations. We call them solar radiations. This is the outer surface of atmosphere, and the electromagnetic radiations come from which come from the sun. They are unchanged unless they reach to the outer surface of the earth. But when they come inside the atmosphere surface, there are clouds present. There is atmospheric gases. See, when there is solar radiation coming, either it may get absorbed. Either it may get absorbed by the particle, either it get reflected, or it may get scattered, or it may transmit through the particle. So when it's a cloud present here, right here, when solar radiations come, cloud will reflect the solar radiation into the outer surface, and the percentage of its reflection is 25%. Out of 100% solar radiations coming, 25% solar radiations are reflected back, and there are atmospheric gases present like methane, carbon dioxide, water vapors. So the solar radiations will get absorbed by the gases and water vapors, and the proportion of it is 22%. We know that in atmosphere dust particles are present, solid dust particles are present. So these solid particles, what they do scattering of the solar radiations, and the amount of scattering of solar radiations towards the Earth's surface is 10%. So 25, how much it count? 47%. So out of, and what's the remaining percentage is 53%. So 53% of radiations will come towards the Earth's surface. When 53%, whole 53% will come here, 4% will be reflected back by the Earth's surface, and this is known as terrestrial radiation. So 53% is the total incoming radiation. Which comprises the scattered radiation. So total incoming radiation is direct radiation plus diffused radiation, and this scattered radiation is also known as diffused radiation. And so 4% is reflected back by the Earth's surface. What's the remaining percentage? 53% minus 4% is 49%. So 49% is the amount of solar radiation which are received by the Earth's surface. And this scattered radiation is UV radiations and infrared radiations. Okay, so that's why scattered radiation, and you know that if direct solar radiations are coming, then if it is a tree here, only upper canopy will get the sunlight, but not this part will get sunlight. So diffused radiations play a major role when it comes to this part, photosynthetic cycle. And this, so diffused radiations is another very important, because infrared radiation, ultraviolet, infrared, and this infrared radiations are part photosynthetically active radiations. Photosynthetically active radiations are also important, where violet, indigo, blue, green, red. So this is also an important thing. So this reflection, when I will erase this. And the reflection by clouds is measured by albedo meter. And direct solar radiations is measured by pyrheliometer. Diffused radiation is measured by scattering pyranometer. So total incoming radiation are measured by pyranometer. And terrestrial radiations are measured by pyrgeometer. And net radiations are measured by net radiometer.